Okay, the only reason why I'm here is just to make Candleless happy, and I could just say I filmed it. So this is the elevator at a building in Charlton Park, Blue Lake Shore. It's on Quinn Circle. I forget the address. I'm not good with the addresses. And this is... God, the hell? This is an Aisha Sirena. Sirena 2, I think. Don't quote me. God. That's a very rough door operator right there. Very rough door in general. That motor was interesting. This might have... Oh, that might be a new motor. That might be a new motor, actually. I don't know. It could very well be a new motor. I'm not going to do a second run. Yeah, I got the point across. This is definitely an Otis. It's a rough door operator. And there it goes, and that's it.